Confused by affiliate marketing? These simple tips can help. Affiliate marketing has so many different possibilities for what you can use, the things you can do, and how you can apply it to your own personal business. It is rare to find somebody that will market just like you, so why not take advantage of that and create a marketing plan that works for only you? This video can help you. Certain affiliate marketing programs pay off when website visitors go to an advertiser's site and take action. Typically registering or providing contact information, these pay-for-sign-up programs pay better than pay-per-click setups, although of course the webmaster will not see as many payments as he or she would with pay-per-click. Nevertheless, the higher pay makes these programs attractive to many website owners. It is best to hide purchase links to an affiliate's product a few pages deep in a website. This cushions the casual visitor from hard sell techniques and ensures that visitors who find the affiliate link do so because they have a genuine interest in the product. The pages leading to the product link should encourage this interest. Separate your task list so that you do not become confused or bogged down while working as an affiliate. Personal matters can sometimes get in the way of affiliate marketing, especially if you allow them to bleed over into your work. Make sure you're doing your best to keep these two worlds from colliding. People are more likely to click on your affiliate links if you give them a good reason to do so. Use the links to complement the content on your site. If you're trying to sell books, include a short review of the book and explain why you are recommending it. If you sell a lot of different products, organize them, so customers can search one category at a time to find what they are looking for. A search box at the top is also a good idea, and it is even better if results can be further sorted by attributes, such as size and color. To make the most money from your affiliate marketing efforts, you need to focus your time and energy on meeting your customers' interests. When they find that your page contains information they want, they are also going to be interested in the ads you have about the same subject. You can make money at home in your spare time by choosing affiliate marketing as your niche. You simply write about products that your affiliates sell and then link to the products. Every time that one of your readers buys the product from your link, you get a percentage of the sale. Being successful at affiliate marketing does not necessarily mean that you have to promote the most popular products. If you choose to market a product in which you have a personal interest, chances are that you will be more motivated to work and to educate yourself on the product. For instance, if you love to read, market ebooks or e-readers. Enjoying what you do is a large part of achieving success. Isn't creating your own personal affiliate marketing plan exciting? As you have seen in this video, there are a lot of ways this can be done, and no two plans or programs will yield the same results. There are also lots of customizable options that can work with your business and budget. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.